How to delete a conversation in Discord. Stay with me until the end and I will show you how to easily manage messages in Discord and share a useful tip, so let's get started. So first guys, open Discord on your device and afterwards make sure you're in the home tab right there and in the messages section right here. So open the chat which you want to delete, and at the top of the screen next to your contact's name, click on their avatar. So when the person's profile is opened, click on the three-dot menu right there. From the pop-up menu, tap Close DM. All done, your conversation has been removed from your list, and you can now enjoy a cleaner screen without extra clutter. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.